Hey everyone, thanks for watching today's video. In this video I'm going to show you a super easy pink makeup look with some eyeliner, and I'm also going to show you the before and after on this face makeup look. So I won't be only showing my eye makeup but also the whole full face look. So let's get started. Oh, and also my brush kit with Sigma Beauty is back in stock. A lot of you always ask me when is it getting back, and it's finally back in stock, so I will link it down in the description bar in case you're curious. Now the first thing I'm going to apply on my face is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've been using this cream for years and years, and I just really love how it applies underneath foundation. It just gives a really natural finish. Then I went in with the beauty filter from Charlotte Tilbury, or it's called the Flawless filter. And I believe I'm using it in the color light medium, so I'm just applying it on the highest point of my cheeks. And then with whatever's left on my finger, I also blend it a little bit on my forehead. And this just gives the most beautiful natural glow. Then I went in with this foundation from Nars Cosmetics. It's actually their newest foundation and I actually really love it. I will put the shade name that I have in the description bar. I feel like it really matches my skin very well. It has more of kind of like a olive undertone and my skin is quite yellow. I think because I don't have a thyroid, I'm not quite sure, but my boyfriend always makes kind of jokes about it. So now I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and this is the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in the color light medium. Also a long time favorite product of mine. I feel like I also really like the Jouer full coverage I wanted to say foundation, but I mean like the full coverage concealer. I think that one is really nice as well, but if I have to choose, I'm always going back to this one by Tarte. I just think it's so beautiful. It always blends beautifully into my foundation. So then after applying it on all the places where I like it, I went in with a beauty sponge and I'm just gonna kind of blend it into my skin. Sometimes I like to use my finger because I feel like it gives more color payoff. Well, not color payoff, but more like more coverage. But a beauty sponge works really well as well. Then I went in with this product, which is the contour wand from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just using the lightest amount that I can because it's so freaking pigmented, so I'm always super careful when I use it. And also it dries down super quick, so I always have to be super fast with blending. And when I like put my mouth, you can see more like where my natural jawline is. I don't really know how to explain it in English, but you basically push your bottom teeth to the front and it will show your bones a little bit more. So whenever I contour my jawline, I always do this so the lines get more visible and I kind of know where to blend the product, because when I don't do it, I feel like my jawline is not really visible. So this way it's just really helpful. Just try it and let me know if it works for you too. Then I went in with this highlighter, which is a cream highlighter by Charlotte Tilbury. I don't really remember what the name is, but I will put all the products down in the description bar. And again, it just makes your face look super beautiful, glowy. So I have already used the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter underneath the foundation, but I like to add a little bit extra. Then I went in with this cream blush, which is actually a new product that I received. Again, I will link it down in the description bar. It's from a brand which is kind of like a natural beauty product brand. And I really want to incorporate more natural beauty products in my videos because makeup products can actually be quite toxic for the skin. And I'm not going to stop using the products that I use, but I know it's not that good for your skin. And since I have been struggling with eczema, I'm really more interested in using more products which are just more gentle for the skin. So in my future videos, you will probably see me use more kind of natural, toxic-free products as well. So if there's a brand that you will recommend, definitely let me know in the comments. So now I'm going to go in with some lip liner. I use the MAC Cosmetics Lipliner in the color Oak. And then I went in with this lip gloss, which is by Nars Cosmetics, and it's such a beautiful nude gloss. I actually think the Nars glosses are so pretty. I absolutely love them. And I think I've actually used this shade before. It's just a gorgeous color. I think it will look gorgeous on any skin complexion. Then I went in with a little bit more blush. It was not really necessarily, but I'm a huge blush lover, so I just decided to add a little bit more. and this one is by Benefit Cosmetics. And then I went in with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which is my favorite eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the eyelid. And then after that I went in with this palette, which is by... from who is it? Oh, it's by Colourpop. I received it in the mail, so I wanted to use it for today's video. And this is actually the only color that I will be using. It's kind of like a soft pink. So at first I just started with a little bit of this and just started blending this all the way in my crease, just going from the inner corner to the outer corner using the Sigma Beauty E40 brush. I will be using all like Sigma Beauty brushes that also are included in my brush kit. So I will link it down in the description bar together with a discount code, which I don't think you can use on my brush kit because it already has a more affordable value, but you can use it for other products. Then I went in with the E25 and used that to blend a little bit more of that eyeshadow on the eyelid as well. And then I went in with the Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner pen, which is one of my favorites, together with the Ocher Cosmetics eyeliner pen. I don't really remember the exact name, but it's just like a liquid pen, just the way like this one. And I feel like I reach out the most often to this one by Huda Beauty and the Ocher Cosmetics ones. I like them both a lot. And I just started with creating a simple line above the lash line, and then I dragged a line from the outer end towards kind of like following the line of the outer part of my tail of the brow, then stopping kind of halfway in the middle and then creating that wing liner. I personally love a wing liner, even though I feel like through the years my eyes start to be a little bit more hooded, but I still really love it. I just feel like it makes my eyes look more like that catty eye shape, which I personally really love. Then I went in with the legendary brow gel. It's a brow gel. I believe I use it in the darker shade that they have, and I just used a little bit for the brows. Then I curled my lashes because I'm just keeping this eye look super simple. So I'm not even gonna apply eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line, which I always do. So this feels kind of naked for me, but yeah. Then I went in with the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, and then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. I know the eye look is super simple, but I hope regardless you just really like this look. Let me know, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is super helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you.